5 surprising health benefits of pineapple juice. You've probably been enjoying pineapple juice since you were young, but how much do you actually know about the health benefits of pineapple juice? While pineapple juice may seem more like an exotic summer drink than something that can have a major impact on your health, in reality, it has some amazing properties that are very beneficial to your body and mind, such as boosting your immune system, keeping your digestive system running smoothly, and even helping fight cancer cells. Watch this video to learn more about these 5 surprising health benefits of pineapple juice. Number 1. An antioxidant superstar. Did you know that fresh pineapple juice is an excellent source of manganese? This essential mineral is vital for healthy bones, tissue repair, and carbohydrate metabolism. In addition to being a good source of manganese, pineapple juice also contains vitamin C, which is an important antioxidant that helps protect your cells from free radicals. Free radicals are highly reactive oxygen molecules that cause oxidative stress on your cells. When left unchecked, they can lead to premature aging and disease. Number 2. Treats digestive problems. The enzymes and bromelain in pineapple juice are known to help treat digestive problems such as heartburn, bloating, acid reflux, and ulcers. They're also effective against upset stomachs and nausea. If you suffer from frequent digestive issues, try drinking a glass of unsweetened pineapple juice before meals to help relieve your symptoms. Number 3. Helps prevent cancer. The health benefits of pineapple juice are varied, but one of its most important is its potential to help fight cancer. One study found that rats fed pineapple juice prior to being exposed to a carcinogen had fewer and smaller tumors than those who didn't consume it. The same antioxidants that seem to benefit humans also have benefits for pets as well. Dogs consuming fruit regularly can suffer less from liver problems caused by exposure to toxins, and may even live longer than other dogs not given the same diet. The high concentration of bromelain in pineapple juice, an enzyme found primarily in fruit and vegetable extracts, makes it a great way to help prevent cancer. Bromelain works by boosting your immune system, preventing tumors from spreading and easing pain caused by cancer treatments. Number 4. Incredibly great for vision. Those high levels of vitamin C in pineapple juice provide antioxidants that help protect your eyes from free radicals, which can cause macular degeneration. This common eye disease is caused by oxidative stress and inflammation, which damages photoreceptors in your eyes and makes it difficult to see. Antioxidants like vitamin C fight against these free radicals and prevent damage before it occurs. Vitamin C may also help those with other eye conditions, such as cataracts or glaucoma. Number 5. Promotes weight loss. Research has found that drinking pineapple juice can help you lose weight. According to a study published in Applied Physiology, Nutrition, and Metabolism, healthy adults who drank 2 glasses of fresh pineapple juice every day for 12 weeks lost 10% more weight than those who were given a sugar-sweetened placebo drink. Drinking just 1 glass daily for 2 weeks also decreased abdominal fat.